Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp garlic sauce. First, ensure your shrimp are fresh, peeled, and deveined for the best flavor. Next, mince 6 cloves of garlic finely. This is key to the sauce's aroma. Melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in a pan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute, being careful not to burn it. This forms the base of our delicious sauce. Once your garlic is fragrant, add the shrimp to the pan. Spread them in a single layer to ensure even cooking. Sauté the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn pink and opaque. Overcooking will make the shrimp tough, so watch them closely. This quick cooking time keeps the shrimp juicy and tender, ready to absorb all the wonderful garlic flavor. After the shrimp are perfectly cooked, it's time to finish our sauce. Squeeze in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavors beautifully. Stir in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley, which adds a vibrant color and herbaceous note. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Mix everything gently to combine, ensuring the shrimp are coated in the rich, aromatic sauce. Your delicious shrimp garlic sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over your favorite pasta, rice, or with crusty bread to soak up every drop. Garnish with a little extra fresh parsley and a lemon wedge for a beautiful presentation. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or entertaining guests. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.